Welcome to Zisodel TV. Kindly subscribe, share, and like for latest updates and news. Hi guys, how are you doing today? Yes, I've got a gist. It's a gist. Yes, guys, I've got a gist. It's about Laide Bakare. She's in the news. Yes, the actress was spotted dancing with ordinary bra. And reactions have trade this. And as it is, she doesn't even care. She doesn't even want to know. She doesn't even want to listen. She doesn't even want to hear what anybody have to say, because she's just dancing to all the negative vibes they are giving her, and she doesn't even care. She's just like living a happy life with her children. She was dancing in the rain. She was just like, oh, my children, thank you for bringing back old memories. You know how we used to play in the rain. She was just happy. She was living. She doesn't even care about one sokwe. Then say, then talk, say, now so then waiting. No, not leave this actress alone. Me, she live her life now. Abi, she just say, I don't care whatever you have to say or your opinion. Keep it to yourself. So that's it about Laide Bakare. I bet no na leave her too. Make you na let her be. Wetin happen? That's it, guys, about Laide Bakare.